Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima guys, you have engine light on and you have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P0340, P0341, P0342, P0343 or P0344. If you have any of those 5 codes guys, we will explain most likely what causes that and how to fix it. We will explain the top 3 things that can cause it, so make sure to stay until the end. We will share very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money guys. So let's explain what we need to do now. So that should actually work guys on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Also, let me tell you quick about us guys. If you need to buy any parts tools for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make more than 200 to 300 free repair videos provided to you absolutely free guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. In addition, if you have a Kia Optima guys, okay, this generation, and you want to see more information about electrical components, engine diagnostics, diagnosing airbag, codes, anything like that, all that will be published on our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. We have so much information that can save you practically thousands of dollars if you have a Kia Optima guys. So specifically 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be working on here guys. Let me explain something. I'll remove the engine cover so we can explain things. This is your 2.4 engine here. Now you have, as you can see guys here, this is the intake manifold. This is the cylinder head with the valve cover. On the back side you have the exhaust. Okay, the exhaust right there. So looking at it now guys, okay, you need to find the intake side of your engine, which is here. You have 2 camshafts, intake camshaft, exhaust camshaft. The problem for those codes guys is a sensor, okay, on the intake camshaft. This sensor detects the position of the intake camshaft. It's located, okay, right here usually. Okay, we have a screw, a bolt that you need to remove. Okay, it will be right here. We have a special video that explains how to remove it. Now, if you have problems guys with these codes, okay, what do you need to check? You have to make sure that the wiring harness for the intake camshaft position sensor is plugged all the way in. Make sure it's not loose. Make sure the wires are all the way inside as well. You can see the pins on the inside. Make sure guys that the wire is not melted, eaten, broken or anything like that. For instance, winter time, okay, mice and things like that will crawl in the engine bay when it's hot and sometimes they will chew on the wires. We had that happen in the past. You can even have a broken wire or unplugged wire. Now, if that checks out fine, it could be a bad camshaft position sensor. If you want to see how to test those things guys, we have a special video that explains how to test camshaft position sensor on a Kia Optima, and practically guys it takes just a few minutes. All we are going to need is a voltmeter, super easy guys, and you can test it yourself. So we will have the video on the channel how to test camshaft position sensor on Kia Optima. I'll recommend guys to check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix these codes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.